Hello and welcome back everyone to my island in the sun. Thank you for tuning in to A Taste of St. Martin. There are several ways to make ice cream. Today we have a simple and delicious homemade cocoa ice cream on the menu. In a medium bowl, go ahead and add about 1 2/3 of the heavy whipping cream. And start blending the heavy whipping cream. You want to blend on high speed for about 4 minutes until lightly peaked like you see here. Then you want to go ahead and add 200 grams of your condensed milk. Continue using your hand mixer and blend for about 30 seconds. After the 30 seconds, go ahead and add 2 tablespoons of your cocoa to the mixture. Then you want to go ahead and continue blending with your hand mixer. You want to mix thoroughly until well combined. I decided to stop whipping the cream because it will be becoming too stiff. So at this point, go ahead and begin to fold your mixture. Continue to do this until it's fully incorporated. I'm adding some of the cocoa batter to some of my popsicle molds. I already pre-filled some of the molds so that you can see how the batter goes into the mold. As I'm filling the molds, you want to tap up and down and shake to remove any excess air pockets. Then the remainder of the ice cream cocoa batter, I went ahead and added it to a bowl. And then I added a cover to it before adding it to the freezer. I allowed my ice cream to freeze overnight. After 24 hours, the ice cream has set and is ready to be scooped. This recipe can be customized with your favorite flavors and your mix-ins, making it versatile and fun to experiment with. This recipe was delicious and creamy. I loved how it turned out. I hope you guys decide to try this recipe soon. As always, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment below. Until next time, always progressing, always cooking.